I think it's a pigeon.
This little guy dropped the H-bomb in a past life. I can tell.
He's a little boy.
You can see he's struggling with the weight of what he's done still.
Another one bites the dust.
Hey, little birdie. Come here. Yeah. I got a little bit of breath here.
I don't deserve it.
No, you do.
No!
You do.
I hate myself! I know what I've done!
It's brioche. It's brioche. Ow. Ow. That's okay. That's okay. Listen, I want to bring you in on my ship.
Did you have a past life regression and understand the horrors that you committed?
No, I think you're hot.